Look at the directions for this question. The directions are: the following question has a paragraph with one italicized word that does not make sense. Choose the most appropriate replacement for that word from the options given below the paragraph. So let's look at the paragraph now. The paragraph over here says, as the world reacts to China's crackdown in Tibet, one country is affected by both its centrality to the drama and its reticence. India, the land of asylum for the Dalai Lama, and the angry young hotheads of the Tibetan Youth Congress, finds itself on the horns of a dilemma. Now, this is the word which we have to replace, and we have to go by the tone of this paragraph. Now, if I look at the tone of this paragraph, the author is just going in the narrative form, and he is talking about the world which is reacting to China's crackdown, but one country, that is India, is something by its centrality to the drama and its reticence. India is not reacting, that is what the author is saying. So now let's look at the options, and since it is not reacting, again we have to find out an adjective over here which talks about India. So if I look at the options, let's look at option number 1, conspicuous. Yes, conspicuous means noticeable. Now, if India is not reacting and the world is reacting, it is most likely that India is conspicuous by its reaction to, or by its reticence and centrality to what it is, what the stand that it is taking over Tibet. So let's keep one at bay. Now let's look at the second one, obscure. Insignificance? No, it would not come over here because India is being washed by the world. So obscure goes for a toss. Glorious, this has too much of a positive connotation and would not stand in the context. Obnubilating. Obnubilating means unclear. Now India is unclear. India is unclear, then there should be something more written about India. So therefore this also goes for a toss. Now let's look at splendiferous. Splendiferous again has a positive connotation, therefore it also goes for a toss. Now if I put conspicuous over here, yes, if India is not reacting to China's crackdown in Tibet, to which the whole world is reacting, it becomes obviously conspicuous or noticeable because of its reticence, because of no reaction on its part. Therefore 1 becomes the correct answer choice. Thank you.